This is just a brief community announcement, and it's about the free Guitar Theory PDF that hopefully most of you have downloaded. And if you haven't yet downloaded it, I'll show you how to get it during this video. The reason I've made this video is because I've totally updated that ebook, and I've taken some pointless information out and put a lot of more useful information in, and I've also expounded on some of the explanations. The PDF is really meant just to support the guitar lessons on the YouTube channel here, so they're not in-depth explanations because you can get that from the videos. However, it's good to have notes that you can print out from your computer at home. And if you've been following the playlist on how to make your own guitar solos or understanding chord theory, then this PDF would be essential to help you along with those. So I do encourage you to download it. And as well as updating the Guitar Theory ebook, I've made another one available free of charge as well, and that's just templates, and that's for people who are following the How to Make Your Own Solos playlist, because there we discuss the idea of actually writing down bits of your solo, and in the templates there's some blank tablature paper that you can print out. Okay, to get those ebooks, you just have to go to www.ebooksforguitar.com and click on the Lessons button, and then select whether you're right or left-handed, and then you're looking down for the Music Theory tab, and in there you just scroll down and there's both the ebooks together, and you can see alongside the link there I've actually put that it's an updated version. You don't even need to leave your email or anything like that. Just click on the link and it'll download straight away. And I do recommend you download these ebooks, because if you're following any of the courses, then it's really handy to be able to print out some of the lessons. I'll just point out now that there might not be another new video this week, as I'm in the process of updating and writing new ebooks, so I can turn those into lessons later. However, you never know, I might get one done. And obviously, thank you very much for everyone who does watch these lessons and is watching this video. And a special thank you to my subscribers, and actually to anyone who's following the guitar courses, because every subscriber and every view means that I can keep making new videos, because without your support the channel wouldn't be here. So thanks to everyone.